Nora Grace, are you going to show us how you can walk?
Come here. Where are you going? Come on.
Yay!
Yay!
Nora! Come here.
Is there anything interesting?
Come here.
What, that?
No, she doesn't need that. Nora Grace, you want to walk some more?
Come on. She saw her juice.
You have to take a juice break. Okay, you ready to keep walking? And we put a pause on the juice?